Okay, let's talk about the sections of a lab notebook for quantitative analysis. The first section you're going to want to put in there is your introduction. And this is just a brief paragraph describing the purpose of the experiment and your lab report. It shouldn't be more than just a couple of sentences. Usually you can find this information on the procedures page. Your experimental section is the easiest, and you literally just write, please see Chem 232 lab, and then you fill in the lab number and the title. Your results in your calculation section, this is going to be the biggest section of your lab notebook. This is where all your data tables are going to be, any sample calculations that need to be in there. Just make sure everything is labeled properly and you've got your units on there. You should be good to go. So your discussion is going to be long-winded. You're going to list and describe every single table and calculation that you put in section 3. So for all the tables, you're going to give the title of the table, what you're documenting, and what each column means. So if your column represents a volume of in a titration, that's what you put there. If it represents temperature, you put that in there. Section 5 should be very, very short. That is basically a too long didn't read summary of your lab report, what's in your lab notebook, and any numerical results that you see. So when you find out what your concentration of your unknown is, for example, in the lab we just finished, you're going to put that in your conclusion, as well as having it documented in that Excel folder. Hope that helps.